Hello guys, welcome back to another stream, and today we're going to be playing Unboxing Simulator, trying to get the new world right over here. Well, there's a lot of worlds, but we're trying to get the crystal cavern ending area. I'm sure it might be this one that I am not at. I'm sure that's that one, but we are gonna try to wait for the chest to come back, and it's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna be grinding for a little bit. But okay, also if you press E, stuff will stuff will pop out. Let's see which. Okay, so it's this one right here, the lava one. But yeah, the chest should be ready. Yep, there it is. So let's see if that makes a lot of coins. Recently, there was a Halloween event right now. It's gonna end in 7 more days. So you guys, if the Halloween event is over, I'm sorry to you guys, but you guys still have some time. And are you kidding me? It didn't make it. Guys, we're at 17 trillion. We're not gonna make it. Oh, rip. But let's go back to the world I was at, which was Sparkle Space. Alright. Oh, and also, you see that hole there? And there's a big present, which I can't go there yet, because I have to unlock the zone. Okay, let's go get this present right here. Okay, I don't think I want to buy a sword, because I want to get to the next zone. Yeah, I might not. Give me a second. Alright, there's codes in this game. Alright, if you type in the code Snug Life, you'll get a 50% damage for 20 minutes. Wow, that's OP. Okay. Alright. More codes are coming up, guys. Watch until the end, and I'll show you all the codes. Type in the code Banjo Boost, and you get more time on there. Alright, let's get at least to 1 hour, because okay, we have 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, Alright. Alright, there's more codes. I'm sure but these are 5 you have to type in or copy and paste them. Okay, TG squad. Okay, so this one is 1 hour, 17 minutes, and 39 seconds. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, let me see if there's no more rows. 4, 6. Oh, wow. Wait, I think these are expired codes. Hold up. Let's just try one. Let's see if these codes expired. I'm sure they expired. Yeah, they might have expired. Let's just give it a chance. The code is right. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see 100. Oh. Wow. Wow, this is helping. That helps a lot. Alright, let's see. See, candy tie. And cherry axe. Alright, there's more. Wow, these codes have not expired. Wow. Not too bad. Okay. Oh wow, there's a lot of codes, guys. Oh wow. Wow, this is gonna take forever for me to get all these codes here. But we're not gonna get them all in this video. Okay, I just want ice cream. I just wanted ice cream, and you get a 1 hour boost of hatch speed, which would be great. But there's a code that will help us out a lot. Let's take a screenshot of that. Yeah. I don't know if sub to Michael's Drummond would work, but I'm sure it might be expired. But I'll just give it a chance. Yeah, I might have did. Wow, there's way more codes than I just thought. Alright. Sub to Marcos Drummond. There you go. Oh wow, it's only 20 minutes of this? Wow. That is not cool. Alright. We could get a godly hat. It would be cool if we got a godly hat. Wow, this boost doesn't, I don't know if this boost does a lot. But guys, there's more. There's way more. Alright, next one, you guys should type in R1ZZ. And if you type in that code, you get a 50% of damage. It is very OP. Alright. Alright. There we go. Alright, we got a code. Or is it? Okay. Okay, there we go. Type in the codes Pumpkin Smasher, and you'll get 100% damage. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That is OP. Wow. Okay, 2 more minutes. It would be funny if you like type in every code and it would just be right and you get everything. That would be funny. Okay. So use the codes. This one gave me a lot of coins. This will give me a lot of coins. Let's see what it does. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Alright. But guys, I think I'm going to end over here. I'll type in all the codes. But if you guys enjoyed, smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And I will see y'all maybe tomorrow. But goodbye.